Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include navigation system, towing package, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2015 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, home link garage door opener, power steering, floor mats, cruise control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.